Leg day, baby. Just gonna kill it. The one that I'm doing is not a dead hang. It is a spinal decompression exercise where I'm stretching my spine for about 10 inches. I had a really decent workout session, burned around 100 calories, but I'm not done it. So that's why I'm going cycling. I'm thinking of going around 20, not 20, at least like 15 kilometers and come back. So there is this cafe called the Rameshwaram Cafe, which is roughly 7 kilometers from my place. So I'll go there, have a cup of coffee and come back. This elevation is fucking killing me because I did leg workout 45 minutes back, not in 45 minutes, like half an hour back. I'm cycling through this fucking elevation, man. But it's fun. It's fun. It's damn fun. I think the thing is, cycling is fun because you feel the rush in your legs and the blood pumping all over the body and the sweat and the breeze. That's why cycling is damn fun, man. The thing is, in Rameshwaram Cafe there are many things to eat, but I don't want to eat all of those things or any of those things because lot of ghee, oil and all of it is what they put in. I thought it would be around 7 kilometers, but it is just 5.25 and I'm here. Just gonna wash my face and have something in Rameshwaram and go away. Looking at that crowd, I was like, I'm not gonna have anything over there. So that I just crossed the road and I'm here. I'm just gonna go take up a bottle of water, have that, and cycle back home. Anna, one water bottle kodinga. Half liter. Half. Cold kodinga. Angirka? And surprisingly, it started raining. Cycling in rain, it's gonna be fun. Man. Raindrops are hitting my face. I have to cross the road. अरे रुको रे बाबा. Did you see that? Listen to that. That was loud. That was loud. Guys, one more thing. See that? Whoa! The thing is, most of you have not subscribed to the channel, and I want everybody watching this, just go hit that red button, subscribe to it, man. I'm gonna post a lot of these content, so please do subscribe. It's free, man. It's absolutely free to subscribe. And why are you not doing it? Why are you not doing it? Amma, one tea kode. Chalo, let's get started again. Just have a look at the position of my t-shirt. How was the video? I hope you liked it. Anyway, until next one. See ya. Peace.